I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself and the keyboard precisely because posture and orientation determine speed and comfort. Once done, rest your fingers on the home row and verify the physical layout matches your OS layout. Mismatches cause errors. Plug in or enable wireless, then press a few keys to confirm responsiveness. Make small angle or height adjustments so wrists sit neutral. This reduces fatigue and lets you learn consistent key locations from the first practice stroke. You now train purposeful finger movements. Use short daily drills focused on home row reuse and common bigrams. Once comfortable, add modifier combos and consciously practice shortcuts for copy/paste, window switching, and app commands because they save time. Make sure to prioritize accuracy. Speed follows. Use a metronome or progressively faster exercises to build rhythm, and vary drills to include numbers and symbols so your muscle memory generalizes across real tasks. You complete setup by customizing layers, remapping infrequent keys, and saving a profile so your shortcuts persist across machines. Customization increases efficiency for your workflow. Once done, test media keys, FN layers, and N key rollover to ensure simultaneous presses register. Make a backup of your layout. If something goes wrong, first reconnect and restart, then update drivers and firmware. If keys still fail, test the keyboard on another device to isolate hardware versus software issues, and decide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.